Ang pangit. Baba hanggang tiyan.
Bili pala ito sa loob.
Tara. Hello, mga kanana.
Ito mag-park ko.
Nandito na po kami. Wala, hindi makaan. Bye-bye. Tama na.
Ano? Ikaw ba yung leader nila, kuya? Wow.
Leader.
Kagalingan nila. Punta ka na dun.
Ano na? Ikaw na lang hinintay na. Huli ka. Ate, din tayo.
As papa magibili naman mo, mahuli to. Dito rin. Ay.
Patay mo na yun.
Asan kasi ka Enteng?
Halika.
Huwag ka makulit.
Ayun yung pangatlo. Ang liit ko.
Hala si James Reed.
Si James Reed. Ayun o, si Kuya Enteng o.
May takbo ni ka Enteng parang.
Ayan na, naglakad na.
Hindi ko yun.
Ang liit sila mga lalaki, mga babae. Wow! Daming rambutan. Ayun o, kumukuha lang. Ayun na. Kuha tayo. Mama!
So, pag natap mo ba ni tao dulu?
Ma!
Dito na. Ito.
Iba magsalita niya.
Wow. Kuha tayo isa.
Ano?
Hinog na.
Si Mama.
Go na. Okay na.
No.
Bye-bye.
Tingnan nyo nga sa amin kayo, di. Baka rin sa isip, nagbibenta kami. Nagbibenta siguro, nakaganyan pa ng, ng plastic.
Bye-bye. Ikaw, tanggal mo na pala braces mo?
Yung tanggal mo?
Tatanggal mo pala braces mo. Ngayon ko lang nakita ah.
Bye-bye. Papa, good luck, Kuya.
Huwag mo babay. Ano? Sama na. Jollibee ba yun?
Jollibee.
Gato.
Gato. Ano pala ito mga ingatan, no?
Yung kanin.
Relatives and loved ones, you may go back to your position. Thank you.
Wala sila. Picturean ka, picture kayo, picture. 1, 2, 3, go. 7.
Once again po, parents, family, friends, and loved ones, balik na po tayo.
Sunog, bakit?
Lunod.
Parang dinidiligan na. Nagawa niya. Kita ko si Kuya Enteng sa drone.
Nilunod, hindi maka-intindi. Pahinga na.
Araw-araw.
Kadalay na tayo.
Hold! Taas lang, taas, taas! Ano, ayaw nyo na? O, bakit nakabend yan? Hindi mo hawakan yan, ha?
Kalog po pala kami nagsalita na. Ewan ko sa mo.
Bigyan ko ano, Babel! Meron tayo na yata itong mga to, oh. Ayaw nyo na? Count, 1 to 20! Move!
Grabe, sakit.
Down!
Tapos biglang pa.
Bye daw. Hilak ma, hilak. Hilak. Stop. Dire, dire. Ano, BFP din ta?
Bumaba ka kuya, baka...
So, all our visitors and parents, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsuporta sa ating mga
Thank you.
Sa pagkakataon pong ito, atin pong pinapalat sa inyo na ang inyong mga anak, kaibigan, iwan, pinagsagubilin, ay pagmamayari na po ng gobyerno. Ulitin ko po, ang inyong pong mga anak, kaibigan, kapatid, kamag-anak, na bagong bumbero ngayon sa inyong harapan ay pagmamayari na po ng gobyerno. Maraming salamat po sa inyong kooperasyon, suporta, panalangin. Sana nandito sila sa bahay ngayon. So from this moment on, training, attention! Wala sabing maingay. Ako nang maingay. Okay, bail. Byline.
Di namin iwan yan, sir.
Ag si mama mugto ang mata.
Wala nang naman sa mga tapulang. Iiyak lang kayo eh.
Asan si Kuya Enteng?
Saan ba kuya dyan?
Itong dalawa.
Wala. Nakalboy na.
Ito pa na yung Lucy.
Ano ba? Wala akong ginagawa sa iyo. Kuya yata yung nasa unahan.
Gangster.
Ano yan?
Ah, yung ano yan na? Yung tama.
Hindi natapos.
Hindi natapos yung ano.
Ay, Dimitri yan.
Ano?
Dimitri. Anong Dimitri? Baka bawal
Asa
sila
yung
o
drone?
ayun sila. Ayun ah.
Ayun.
Agay. Wala. Kuya Loy, ikaw na magupit. Dali.
Oo nga, no. Ikaw na. Ikaw magupit. Marunong ka, di ba? Ito.
Wow.
Hello. Okay,
Lakib, lakib.
kaway na sa camera. Palis.
DB also applied the pressure after the signal was given by the nozzle man.
Sorry.
Ano na yun?
The grid is on. Two firefighters moving across street to suppress smoke and fire. They are injuries and capable of walking.
Diyan ata siya.
Two firefighter personnel perform Taiwan steering while the other just assisted the victim in walk towards the treatment area. The rest of the team recovered the used hoses and returned to their vehicle. The team later reported to the IC and returned to their vehicle. The member of the PNP controlled the crowd and followed the area to prevent non-responders from going beyond the portal area. And the EMS established a treatment area adjacent to the ICP. Their task is to receive and provide initial treatment to the wounded and injured victims and transfer the victims in critical condition.
40.
Their ambulances are positioned in a manner that will allow immediate loading and transport.
The local rescue team responded after receiving a call from the incident command post.
Ayan, the rescue team, kailangan ko yung team mo dito. We have a reported from the Queen Sector ng Resort Aviation Center, sir. Southgate Conflict. Please double time, sir.
Upon post, task force to all our team immediately guarded the scene, aided upon, designated, and prepared to carry out the plan. Then was the victims ready.
The South Tower, running during and injured victims, they shall set the preset and shall lower the injured victims first.
Bakit totoo? Ina-act nila yung mangyayari.
The injured victim will be delivered using a vertical stretcher with 4 points expansion and 2 roll bridges.
It is used in lowering injured victims. Uses from bridges to direct the stretcher away from any hazard at the base of the track.
The injured victim will be lowered using horizontal stretcher with a 4 point system, reading
securely lower the victim to the ground. Followed by the lizard rappel.
The lizard rappel starts from a standard rappel position. The performer inverts after gaining balance, pushes the wall and turns then up facing the wall.
And lastly, the Australian rappel.
The Australian rappel has this rappelling device attached to the back of the horns. The performer faces the direction at the descent wall, walking on the surface of either a wall or a slope.
All rescuers leave the area of operation after the last man reaches the ground.
Madali lang yan, masyadong nakakaya.
The team leader reports to the incident commander, conducts team debrief, rescuer physical assessment, and equipment inventory before demobilization.
What ladder? Gusto ko yung
Another report was received by the incident commander. A suspected hazmat leak occurred in the same location and required the assistance of a hazmat team. The incident commander immediately called upon the assistance of the hazmat team.
Naka-vest.
Sila punta.
Jade sa outfit.
The hazmat team arrived and their team leader immediately reported to the incident command post and the incident
The assigned personnel patrolled the area after identifying the wind direction and other considerations, separating the hot zone from the cold zone.
assigned personnel contoured the area after identifying the wind direction and other consideration, separating the head zone. The rear must have no exposed body parts achieved by using chemical tapes. Rear apparatus shall have the full or at least an 80% content. The entry towards the house zone will their equipment after the full setup or the contamination corridor. The team enters the house zone carrying the scan stretcher, the identified victim of zone. The scan stretcher allows a quick victim loading and burn process just leads to the contamination area.
Yung oxygen nila, dalawang pinagsamang bag ko.
There are three different zones. The hot zone is the area where the source of hazmat is located. It has a high concentration of whatever hazmat is involved. Personnel without the proper personal protective equipment are not allowed to cross beyond this zone. The warm zone is the contamination reduction zone. And lastly, the cold zone is where all the resources are located.
They should carry the victim to the contamination area for contamination reduction.
Punta na sila sa bahay.
The second team shall have to post in a wait for the victim and responders. The victim decal team shall receive the victim and perform the contamination. detonated bullets and replaced it with a pipe kit. The victim shall be turned over to the EMS personnel to be consoled.
The rescuers entered the warm zone for decontamination after the completion of their task. The entry team exit the warm zone and proceed to the treatment area for vital sign checking.
The Deco team shall remove the contaminants from the suit using a sprayer with Deco solution and use this brush to eliminate the chemical of the first Deco pool. The EMS personnel receives and carries the victim to the treatment area and performs the appropriate treatment before transport.
Deacon shall decontaminate themselves, and the last man shall perform self-deacon.
The Deco team shall remove the contaminants from the suit using a sprayer with Deco solution and uses a Deco pool.
The deacon personnel on the second deacon pool shall use water to rinse the deacon solution from the first deacon pool. The responders shall exit the pool and doping procedure shall be performed, leaving only the uncontaminated clothes of the entry team. Deacon team must prevent touching the wearer to avoid the contamination, and the wearer shall not touch any contaminated things inside the deacon area.
Ano ba kayo? Kuya. Ha? Mayat ka. Wala exercise.
Bakit ka umiyak?
Ano pa? Alam ka na rin sa parents?
Ayun o.
Nasa si Ate Carlin?
Bye-bye, kuya.
Ano, baka bawal ka dito, kuya. Baka bawal ka.
O, tingnan mo kuya.
Iwan na naman namin si kuya. Ah, pwede palang lumabas eh.
Lock yung malaki. Ano mo yung tayo? Yung kulot.
Baka pagdating doon, paparusahan ka. Ha? Ayan, pwede palang ano sila.
Dito ako. Baka bigla kayong tawagin ah.
Hatid na namin. Kami na naman ang ihatid.
Yung kala ko sa
Ay, dyan lang kayo mag-withdraw, nak.
Pero pag na, minsan,